Adjectives. We use an adjective to modify a noun or pronoun. We use adjectives as words that describe the color, shape, size, sound, number, etc. of nouns. We find an adjective of quality answer the question, what kind? For example, I planted orange flowers in the pot. The rabbit nibbled the little carrots. Let us learn about adjectives of quantity. We use the adjectives of quantity to show the amount of the noun or pronoun. For example, they have finished most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. Let us learn about adjectives of number. We use the adjectives of number to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. For example, he stood first in the class. I have 2 toffees. Let us learn about possessive adjectives. We use possessive adjectives that answers the question whose. For example, you can share my rice. Have you seen their house? Let us learn about the demonstrative adjectives. We use demonstrative adjective that answers the question which. For example, I am going to open that present. Those socks look warm. Let us learn about the degrees of adjectives. We have 3 degrees of adjectives. They are known as positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let us look at positive degree. We use positive degree in cases where there are no differences between the 2 compared things or persons. For example, my essay is long. Danny is as smart as Philip. She is as beautiful as her older sister. Let us look at comparative degree. We use comparative degree to make comparison between 2 objects or persons. It can be formed in 2 ways. Adding er to the absolute form of the adjective. Adding the word more before the adjective. For example, my essay is longer than yours. She is more beautiful than her sister. Rule for transformation. Add when. Example, forming and exceptions. Er. Words of 1 syllable. This is a longer book. Words ending with E add R to the end of the word. For example, lame, lamer. Words with 1 vowel and 1 consonant at the end double the consonant and add ER to the end of the word. For example, big, bigger. Words with more than 1 vowel or more than 1 consonant at the end add ER to the end of the word. For example, hard, harder. ER. Words of 2 syllables ending with Y. This doll is prettier. Change Y to I and add ER to the end of the word. More. Words of 2 syllables not ending with Y. He is more charming than his friend. Insert more before the adjective. More. 3-syllable words or longer. This is a more powerful cable. Insert more before the adjective. Let us look at superlative degree. We use superlative degree to say what thing or person has the most of a particular quality within the group of its kind. It can be formed in two ways: adding est to the absolute form of the adjective, adding the word most before the adjective. For example, this is the most beautiful dress I have ever seen. The highest table in the room. Rule for transformation. est. Words of one syllable. This is the longest book. Words ending with e add st to the end of the word. For example, large, largest. Words with one vowel and one consonant at the end double the consonant and add est to the end of the word. For example, big, biggest. Words with more than one vowel or more than one consonant at the end add est to the end of the word. For example, blue, bluest. est. Words of two syllables ending with y. This doll is the prettiest. Change y to I and add est to the end of the word. Most. Words of two syllables not ending with y. He is the most charming boy at school. Insert most before the adjective. Most. Three-syllable words or longer. This is the most powerful story. Insert most before the adjective. Certain adjectives have irregular forms in the comparative and superlative degrees: absolute, comparative, superlative. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, many, some. More, most.